Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a short story using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. First, think of a fun idea. It can be about anything: a talking dog, a clumsy superhero, or a student who accidentally becomes famous. Funny stories work best when the situation is silly but easy to understand. Next, open chatgpt.com, or if you are already in the dashboard, just go to New Chat and type a clear prompt. A prompt is an instruction that tells ChatGPT what kind of story you want. For example, you can type, "Write a short story about a cat who wants to become a chef. Make it happy and suitable for kids." ChatGPT will quickly create a story for you. Read it carefully and see if you like it. If you want the story to be funnier, you can ask, "Add more jokes." If you want a happier ending, you can say, "Make the ending more heartwarming." You can also ask follow-up questions to improve your story and to add more creativity to it. You can also ask ChatGPT to shorten the story, change the characters, or make the dialogue more exciting. You can also ask ChatGPT to name the characters for you. The best part is that you can keep improving the story until it sounds exactly how you want. To make your story feel good, include kind characters, happy endings, friendship, teamwork, or funny mistakes that turn out okay in the end. Remember, ChatGPT is a helper, but your imagination makes the story special and unique. Finally, read the story out loud. You can make as many short stories as you like. Your imagination is the limit. If it makes people smile or laugh, then you've done a great job. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to create a short story for you.